Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick video is about approvals in SharePoint libraries. So if your approvals are currently living in an email, waiting for it to come through, and it's slowing everything down, SharePoint can handle it right inside of the library. Let me show you how. Inside of this document library, and inside of here, we've got quite a bit of metadata happening. Metadata is just more information we know about a file. So we've got departments, the report type, the owner, the report status, and then the fiscal year. Another thing we can do is we can turn on approvals for this entire library and not one by one. The way to do that is to click on this ellipsis. And from the ellipsis, you are going to go to Integrate, and you're going to choose Approvals. When you do so, this is going to ask you if you want to enable approvals for the entire library. And if you click on this toggle, yes. And then we have this ability to enable default approvers. So what's happening here is there will be a column now, and it will show if it has been submitted for approval, if it has been accepted or rejected. And the way that we can do this is we can send this through our approvals into our teams. What do I mean by that? Well, if there are specific people that would be an approver, you could put their name here, and then they can approve the different documents. You can also disable approvals at any time or hide the column. Now, not every document is going to need approval, but you can turn it on for the entire library. I hit apply, and now we have this approval status. So I'll just show you one in action. If I hit approval status, it shows me the name of the file, and then it's telling me that Denise Morris will be my approver, and I click submit. When I get the pop-up, I will go in here and look at my approvals, and it's telling me that this is the document, and I can actually open it up and look at it, and then I can see who requested it. I can cancel this, I can follow up or reassign if maybe I'm not at work that day, and then I can approve or reject. So if I hit approve, this will submit that response, and we can see this has changed from not submitted to requested, and once it catches up, it now says approved. Now your files will move faster with less chasing. You can even look at if it's been approved, rejected, and so forth. So remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.